First up, we have the gateway to German luxury, the Mercedes C-Class. The C-Class is essentially designed around a very simple concept, giving you the style, technology, and presence of the flagship S-Class, but in a smaller and more agile sports sedan package. On the outside, it sports a sharp, athletic stance. You get a long hood, aggressive front fascia, and clean body lines that give it a confident presence on the road without feeling overly bulky for daily city driving. Step inside, and this is where Mercedes really shines. The interior is built around a massive portrait-style touchscreen running the latest MBUX system. You get customizable 64-color ambient lighting, premium interior materials, and a fully digital instrument cluster that puts all essential driving information right in your line of sight. Under the hood, modern C-Class models rely on a turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. In simple terms, this hybrid setup fills in the low-end torque gaps, eliminating turbo lag and giving you instant throttle response. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers a punchy, responsive drive with great fuel efficiency. It's quick, high-tech, and easily one of the smartest entry points into true luxury driving. Model number 2 in E, the Mercedes E-Class. The E-Class is built specifically for the executive. For decades, this midsize sedan has been the global benchmark for safety innovations, business prestige, and quiet long-distance highway cruising. On the outside, it commands instant respect. It features classic side proportions, a longer wheelbase, and an illuminated front grille. Every line is optimized for low aerodynamic drag, which means less wind resistance, better fuel economy, and an ultra-quiet cabin at high speeds. Inside, the tech is next level. The modern E-Class offers the available MBUX Superscreen, a single sheet of glass stretching across the dashboard that allows the front passenger to stream videos, play games, or assist with navigation without distracting the driver. Add customizable ambient lighting and premium leather, and the interior feels like a first-class business suite. Under the bonnet, you get smooth turbocharged four-cylinder, or silky smooth inline-six engine options. But the real headline here is the ride quality. Thanks to world-class acoustic soundproofing and advanced suspension tuning, road noise, tire hum, and engine vibration are completely canceled out. It's elegant, high-tech, and the absolute ultimate vehicle for business executives and long-distance highway travel. Next up, model number 2, the Mercedes GLC. The GLC is engineered for drivers who want the ultimate balance between high-end luxury, daily utility, and all-weather confidence in a crossover package. On the outside, it combines a bold, muscular stance with smooth aerodynamic lines. Its higher ground clearance gives you a commanding view of the road, while its wide stance ensures the vehicle feels completely stable and glued to the tarmac during high-speed highway driving. Under the hood, it features a punchy turbocharged engine, integrated with mild hybrid technology for seamless acceleration. But the real mechanical highlight is Mercedes' permanent 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Instead of waiting for the tires to slip, 4MATIC constantly distributes power to all four wheels. Whether you are navigating heavy rain, gravel, or rough city roads, the GLC delivers continuous traction and effortlessly absorbs bumps. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a modern tech lounge. You get a massive vertical touchscreen running the latest MBUX system, fully customizable ambient lighting, and high-quality materials throughout. Plus, the high roofline provides generous rear legroom and a massive trunk for all your gear. It's practical, highly capable, and easily one of the smartest luxury crossovers on the market today. Model number 4, the Mercedes GLE. The GLE is a midsize luxury SUV built for those who demand serious size, muscular presence, and massive power. On the outside, it immediately commands the road with an aggressive front grille, broad shoulders, and large dual exhaust tips. Its high stance and muscular body lines leave no doubt about its capability, whether parked in the city or eating up highway miles. Under the hood, you get high-output inline-six or twin-turbo V8 engine options, delivering massive towing power and effortless acceleration. But the standout tech feature is the available E-Active body control suspension. This advanced system can control hydraulic forces at each wheel individually, meaning it can lean into sharp curves like a motorcycle for maximum passenger comfort, or even bounce the vehicle rhythmically to free itself if you get stuck in sand or mud. Step inside, and the cabin combines luxury with massive practicality. Dual high-resolution displays stretch across the dash, paired with optional 3-row seating for up to 7 passengers. Fold the seats down and you get an enormous cargo bay ready for heavy gear, long road trips, or towing boats. It's bold, powerful, and built to handle long distances with complete authority. Model number 5, the Mercedes S-Class. The S-Class is the undisputed flagship. For decades, it has defined what true automotive luxury and tech innovation look like for the entire world. On the outside, it commands effortless respect with clean lines, a massive chrome grille, and a long, regal silhouette. But the true magic is in the tech. It features rear-axle steering, allowing the back wheels to turn sharply so this huge sedan can maneuver in tight spots as easily as a compact car. Step inside, and it feels like a private jet on wheels. The rear cabin offers reclining executive seats with heating, cooling, and multi-program hot stone massages. The AR-matic air suspension uses stereo cameras to scan the road ahead hundreds of times per second, pre-adjusting the dampers to erase bumps before you even feel them. Plus, the active ambient lighting integrates directly with safety features, flashing red if you try to open your door into incoming traffic. Under the bonnet, silky smooth inline-6 and twin-turbo V8 engines deliver effortless power, completely isolated by world-class acoustic insulation. It's not just a car, it's the ultimate mobile sanctuary for luxury, comfort, and safety. Model number 6. The iconic Mercedes G-Class. Affectionately known as the G-Wagon, this vehicle is an immortal symbol of wealth, status, and extreme off-road dominance. On the iconic outside, it preserves its boxy 1970s military silhouette, from the exposed door hinges and round headlights to the mechanical door latches that sound like a bolt-action rifle. The G-Class keeps its classic intact while hiding the modern high-tech engineering heritage underneath. Unlike standard unibody SUVs, the G-Class is built on a heavy-duty ladder frame chassis. It features permanent all-wheel drive, low-range gearing, and 3 independent, 100% mechanically locking differentials. This means if 3 wheels lose grip on a mountain trail, as long as just one tire touches dirt, the vehicle will pull itself forward. Step inside and you are surrounded by ultimate luxury. Dual widescreen displays, massager seats, and customizable ambient lighting. And when you opt for the AMG G63, a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 explodes with nearly 600 horsepower, sending side-exit exhaust rumbles through the air as it launches like a supercar. It's bold, indestructible, and completely iconic on both wilderness trails and city streets. Model number 7, the ultimate pinnacle of engineering, the Mercedes-AMG ONE. This isn't just another hypercar with aggressive styling. Mercedes didn't just borrow design ideas from racing, they took an actual championship-winning Formula One hybrid engine straight out of Lewis Hamilton's F1 car and made it street legal. Under the rear hood sits a high-revving 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 engine that spins up to an insane 11,000 RPM. Paired with 4 electric motors, including one built directly into the turbocharger shaft to completely eliminate turbo lag, this powertrain pushes out a mind-melting 1,063 horsepower. It blasts from 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in just 7 seconds flat. Look at the active aerodynamics. At the touch of a driving mode button, the carbon fiber bodywork literally changes shape. Active fender louvers spring open, the massive hydraulic rear wing extends, and the front splitter drops down to pull the chassis to the tarmac, generating extreme aerodynamic downforce through high-speed turns. Inside, the cabin is stripped back like a true race car, featuring a Formula-style steering wheel, integrated bucket seats, and telemetry screens. Limited to just 275 units worldwide, the AMG ONE stands as an immortal, historic masterpiece of motorsport engineering for the road.